Set up this passive income system once, and you can earn $5 every 20 seconds on complete autopilot. You can see the earnings of August over $4,300 and earnings of September over $3,400, all earned in pure passive income. This is the best way to make money online in 2024. So like this video, and let's start with the first step, which is to come over to bookbolt.io. I will leave a link to Bookbolt in the description of this video and the pinned comment. This is the website tool that's going to help you to earn money like this in pure passive income. So the first thing you want to do is to click on the first link in the description of this video, and that's going to take you to this page where you need to enter some simple information about yourself and sign up to Bookbolt. And by the way, 3-day free trial is enough for us to set up this passive income system that will help you to earn $5 every 20 seconds in complete autopilot. So once you log in, this is how your dashboard will look like. Here you can see tutorials to know how Bookbolt will help you to earn money online and how to effectively use this tool. But for now, I want you to click on the cloud option from here, and that's going to take you to this page. So Bookbolt is a service type of software that you can use to create and design different books, and also to research the books that are performing well on Amazon that you can create to earn money like this every 20 seconds. But don't worry, neither you need to pay any money to publish your book, nor do you need to write a single sentence to create those books, because I will show you a secret category of books that you can create using Bookbolt to earn $5 every 20 seconds in passive income. It will just take 10 to 15 minutes to create a book on Bookbolt, and the same amount of time to publish your book on Amazon completely free, and you will be all set to start earning money online from today itself. So now on this research page, you can search for the top 100 books in the notebook category. So I want you to just click on the search button right here, and Bookbolt will show you the top 100 best-selling notebooks on Amazon. But today, I want you to focus on low-content books like this one, Things I Can't Remember, or this Password Notebook. These books are trending right now, and you can create a similar notebook within just few minutes. These are actually blank books with just some sort of layouts in them that you can use as a workbook or notebook to write your own thoughts in it. These are low-content books like journals, notebooks, calendars, or planners. And the good thing about low-content books is that they do sell all year because they aren't seasonal, like a 2024 New Year planner, for example, that might become outdated. This is an evergreen niche, and it will keep making you money like this. There are other evergreen book options too, like a manifestation journal, prayer journal, a dream journal, or a gratitude journal. As you can see, most of these book publishers are independent publishers, which means that they are using the exact same method that I will be showing you today. They are publishing their books on Amazon with the help of Amazon KDP, which makes this business risk-free. Amazon will do the printing and shipping of these books on your behalf. There is a cost involved, but it will get deducted from your price once you generate a sale on Amazon. Until then, your business is completely free. For the purpose of this video, I will show you how to create these manifestation books, because manifestation notebooks perform very well on Amazon. So once you decide the category of your books, the second step is to click on this drop-down icon and select the Create option from there. Then just select Bookbolt Studio, and that's going to take you to this page. Now, when you open the Bookbolt Studio for the first time, it may ask you to log in again with your Bookbolt credentials. After that, you will be sent to this Create Project page. So in the project type, I want you to go with the paperback cover and interior option, because that will allow us to design the whole book. Then in the project name, I want you to type the name of your book that you have decided to go with. I will name my book Trust in Lord, so I will type the same here. Then select the size 6x9 for your book. After that, in interior and paper type, I want you to go with a black and white interior with white paper. Then leave it as a bleed. And here you want to type the number of pages you want to have in your book. So for example, you can type in 80 pages, 100 pages, or any number of pages you like. Then just click on the Create Project button from here, and you will be taken to this page. So first we will be designing the cover of our book, which you can see on your screen right now. The right side of the cover is the front of the book, and the left side of the cover is the back of the book. And there's some information written over here to guide you to create your cover. But we don't need that, so we will click on this icon over here and select the Hide Cover template from there. Then just press OK, and click on the Save button to save your changes. Now to create our cover, you just need to click on this file library. Here you can upload the cover for your book, if any. Otherwise, you can just use the Pixabay for this, because Pixabay provides you with copyright-free images and stock footage that you can use without any license. So just search for the images related to your book category. For example, I am searching for some nature footage because that resonates with manifestation. To select the image you like for your book, you can just click on it to make it your book cover. So now, I will just click on the edge of this image and drag it to make it fit with my book cover. You need to adjust your image a little bit to make sure it covers all the edges of your book cover. Now the next thing we need is the title. So we will just click the text option from here and select the heading. Then we just need to type the title of the book into it and drag it to the front of our book. Remember, the right side is the front of of our book, so we will place it right here. And if you don't like the font, you can change it from this fonts option right here and select the one you like. Then you can click on the text color to change the color of your text. I am going with white color for now because that will look great with my book cover, but you can choose any color you like. After that, you can also click on shadow to add a shadow effect to your text. So first, I will increase the blur effect to full 30. Then I will select the perfect color for my text that kind of fits with the theme. So I will go with this blue color and just click on the OK to apply it to my text. You can change the size of your text by dragging it from the edge. Now for another text, you can either click the text icon again and select the heading from there, or you can just click on your text once and press Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V on your keyboard to copy and paste your text. Then just drag the text and you will have two texts with the same effects. Now you can type the next text in this and even change the font type from here if you want to. Just like this, you can add another text by copying and pasting the text you want. Type in it the next text you want and just adjust it accordingly. One more thing, make sure all your texts are in the center of the front page. This green line shows that now your texts are in the center, so you can adjust all your texts to this green line. So now our book cover is ready. Now to start designing your book interior, you just need to click on the first page, then select this page templates option from the left, and you can find many different templates from there. But I will just search for the prayer template in the search bar, and I like this second template the most, so I will select it from here. Then I just need to select the pages to add that prayer template to those pages. I just need it in the first 5 pages, so I will select them from here. Then just click on next and just submit it. So as you can see, the first 5 pages of our book are already designed with the prayer template. So now we will just select the 6th page and click on the page template again. Remove the prayer filter from there and you will be able to see all the page templates. I like this journal template, so I will just select it from here. Then I will just go ahead with the college journal, and now I need to again select the pages I want to apply this design to. So I will just click on the select all button from the top. Then I will just deselect the pages, including the cover, that I don't want to have this journal design on them. So I will just deselect the cover and the first 5 pages of the book. Then we hit next and we hit submit. And that's it. Our book is ready now. All you have to do is to just click on download and download it as CMYK entire project, because then it will give you the book cover and the interior book pages separately. Now the step number 3 is to go over to the Amazon KDP, because we will be publishing our books on Amazon to start earning money with them. You can see the URL for the website right here. Anyone from any country around the world can join Amazon KDP and publish their books here for completely free. So just click on the join KDP and just enter some simple information on this page to start the registration process. Once you log into your account, I suggest you click on your account and enter your legal information to complete your profile on Amazon KDP, so that you don't face any issues while withdrawing your profits from here. And by the way, here you can get paid directly into your bank account, wire transfer, through check, or other payment options that are available in your country. So this works worldwide, but for our future videos, comment down below your country name so that I can create more relevant videos for you. Now once you complete your profile, I want you to click create and start publishing your book on Amazon. Then you just need to select the create paperback from there, because we want to create a physical book for our customers. Then on this page, you need to enter the title of your book. So I will just type my book title, that is Trust in Lord. You can skip these optional fields and just come here to enter the author name, that is you. So just enter your name in these fields. After that, you just need to enter the description for the book. Make sure you select I own the copyright and I hold necessary publishing rights, because you actually do, for creating your book on BookBolt. Just like this, you need to enter some simple information about your book and then upload your book cover and interior of your book to Amazon and publish it. After that, Amazon will automatically start pushing your book to the interested buyers on their site and showing your book in the search results wherever someone searches for something related to your book title or category. It might take a little time to get your first sale, but once we get the ball rolling, we can start making $5 every 20 seconds in complete passive income. Once again, I will leave a link to BookBolt in the description of this video and the pinned comment. You can start your free trial using that link, and you can create a lot of books while you are on a free trial. But if you're serious about